Hello guys, this is Queen of Tea and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today is another cooking vlog kay na ako'y work this week. And guys, kapoy ko and gutom. So, di ta maglangay-langay. For today's recipe, kay akong lutoon is sardine patty. I know guys, not all of you are fond of eating sardines. Kay lagi the smell is not good or basta, copy explain guys. But then we Filipinos, we love to eat sardines. So I'm going to show you another way of cooking sardines para lami po siya. Guys, before I will start cooking, I would like to thank all my subscribers and viewers. Thank you so much guys, and I hope you will continue supporting my YouTube channel. To those who are new to my YouTube channel, please check on my videos, and if you like, please subscribe and please share. And also I would like to greet happy birthday to my classmates sa college pa mi. Happy birthday Doyle Managad of Scotland. See you later in the Jone Temple kay mga ang tagpasit kanton and atong inasal din na. Kay ready na kayo akong rice. Manan akong luto. I hope you enjoyed your day today and God bless you always. Okay guys, di na ta maglanga kay gigutom na jud kay ming duha. Hello anak, say hi to our viewers today. Hello, uy. Laro kayo siyang gigutom. So, I'm going to prepare the recipe. Check on this. So guys, ato lang ka-simple ang atong ingredients and how to prepare the sardine patty. Just a tip, if you can find chives, pwede mo gamit og spring onions, just finely chop them. If you don't have breadcrumbs, you may use flour. But then, ako na nang gisulayan before, I don't like the aftertaste of the flour, kay murag napagyapon siya powdery taste. So I changed the recipe into breadcrumbs. So I hope you like my recipe and I hope you will try it at home. Kay home cooking is healthier and cheaper than eating outside. So start na tanan kog luto kay gutom na kayo ko. Ikaw gutom na kay ka? Okay, let's start. Let's start now. Okay. Oh. Wala malagon. Wala malagon guys. So mani. Hindi lang bi ato sa i-check. Ano nga sabi? Okay, nana. So set your stove to medium heat. You can use butter or oil, but I'm going to use butter. Use butter enough to coat our sardine patty. So, this. Nice kayong weather today guys. It's sunny but then it's windy. So dili jud kay siya igang. Nak magdiligid balance sa tuang kuan nak atong table. Feel na ko balance. So this is our sardine mixture. Humot na gyud siya guys, I promise pa. Let's melt our butter. Guys, bake 3 minutes each side of the patty or until it's golden brown. So guys, this is our sardine patty. Look at it guys. Humut juga siya guys, promise pa. I can smell from here. Humut juga siya guys. Now we're going to taste the sardine patty. And nakaluto ni rice. And gutom na kayong duwa, especially ako kay gikan kog work. So we're going to set up the table and we will eat. Ito talag? Yes. Okay. My daughter is preparing the plate. Kutsara tinidor pero gusto ko magkinamot. Ini guys, nilangaw guys. Gaya sa bata guys. Uy, gutom na bigay ko. I hope you enjoyed my vlog today. And really, I hope that you will try this recipe. Very simple, very cheap recipe. All you need to do is buy sardines and then the ingredients, the spices. Kana lang. Ano lang ka-simple. Then you will have a hearty meal with your family or friends. Tara guys, ang bata niabot na. Lisod. Hello guys, change location sa ta. Takang kiglangaw sa gawas. So, dili lang may mukaon sa sulod. Better. And dili siya igang because we are surrounded with trees. So, ready na mi guys. Kutubin ka kaayo. So guys, I hope you like my vlog today. Thank you for watching. And let's eat. Kay gutom na gyud kaayo. Let's say na come here na. Katapad ka. Di mo ka makita. Okay, Ronay. So guys, let's eat. Kinamot na ko guys So no need sauce for this. Kay lami na siya. Promise. Wow! Okay guys, we're gonna try this one. Yan! Wow! Ito na. Ami daw guys. See? Try this at home. Wow! Ayo. Wow. So we Filipinos, when we eat, not always, but sometimes, we use our hands. Okay? Mas mulamig kayo. The food will be more tasty, especially di ka mahunaw. Guys, joke ito ha. You have to wash your hands before you will eat with your hands. Guys, namig ka sa promise. The best yun ang sardine patty. Wow! Guys, mag-shoutout sa ako ha. I would like to thank my subscribers. I will name them. Wait guys, ngita ko. Here. Hello to Istambayan ML3. Thank you for subscribing to my YouTube channel. Tinay Kapay, thank you also. And Betha Life Vlog, thank you so much. And also Benji D. I have also here a subscriber, Striker Camilo. More ones na. Yes. Thank you so much guys. Thank you kayo sa pag-subscribe sa akong YouTube channel. And I hope you will watch my videos, my vlogs. So you will also see Belgium and also Europe. And also my cooking vlog. Hala, guys, ano yun? Ay, hindi na po nauna siya sa kukili. Nagkuha na yung rice na yung naikuot.
Hindi ko masaba.
Hindi ka naman yun. Hindi ko po. Klaro. Sige, klaro na po. Hindi nga na po nidoon ako. Pasensya sa intermission na. Thank you so much, guys, sa pag-subscribe sa akong channel. And, mga untay ninyo, kalamin ito kayo ang Sardine Patty.
Wow!
Nga, pati ko.
More?
Uy, enough na. And guys, you know what? I'm going to bring 2 patties sa akong work tomorrow because they want to try. Ako mga kolegas. Daniel, na kayo, enough na.
So,
Nag-diet
ayaw
ako.
ko kaya.
So, I hope they will like this sardine patty. I am cooking simple recipes. Right? Not all can afford expensive ingredients. Katulad itong mga complicated recipes. As much as possible, I make my recipe so simple and easy to find ingredients. Guys, medyo kayo promise pa. Lamig kayo na ko. Wala ka na. Tugtog na. Sige, gutom na gito siya guys ba?
Nagutom rin ako.
Me too. Ang baba na ba? Mag-concentrate ko kaon.
Wait.
Thank you so much guys. This is Queen of Tea. Please subscribe and share. Bye!
Bye.
Enjoy eating! May anak ko eh.